pre-cal students to class today on this Wednesday the 14th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope that the going over the quiz yesterday helped you guys a little bit. And let's go ahead and jump into today's announcements. Please listen very carefully because you are responsible for these announcements, okay? I checked the test calendar and we will have a test on Friday. There is one test for seniors for Bridge Math, but of course, no pre-cal students are in Bridge Math. There was another test for seniors on Friday. I think it was Bible, but I could be wrong, but that was it. So, your test will be on Friday, okay? I'll give you more details about that later during this video. At this time, please turn in your quiz corrections. Some of you turned those in yesterday, and some of you did not. Please make sure your name is on your quiz corrections before you turn them in. So stop and look and make sure your name is on your quiz corrections. Incompletes, I don't think we have any, but I will check to make sure. No, we do not. Remember, if you miss one day or many days, the first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz that day, you will take it unless you contact me, okay? You must stay on top of your videos when you're out absent. Okay, let me just go ahead and orally explain what is going on for the rest of the week. Can you listen carefully, please? Please listen carefully to what's going on the rest of the week. I'll try to write some things down here for you to see, okay? All the material on the test, you already know what that's going to be. I've already given you a review sheet, okay? We can't just sit here for 2 or 3 days, okay? So, first of all, the material we're going to cover today on Wednesday, I'm using a mouse, so it'll be a little sloppy here, will not be on the test. It will not be tested, okay? So the material you're going to look at today will not be on your test. Got it? So that's taken care of. Thursday we're going to continue on because we have to, and we're going to work on some homework, okay? So today we're going to watch a video. Tomorrow we're going to work on homework, and then during the class period, okay? Now whatever you don't get finished during the class period, you do not have to finish Thursday night. Let me say that again. Tomorrow, today's notes, these notes will not be on your test Friday. Tomorrow's homework, your homework is to be worked on during class Thursday. You are not to go home and work on it Thursday night. I want you to study for your test now. You can finish your homework Friday night over the weekend and turn it in Monday, okay? So that's a little explanation of what's going on the rest of the week, okay? Test on Friday. Today we're taking notes. Tomorrow, or Thursday Thursday we're going to work on homework during the class period. Now the video today is about solving trig equations. Verifying trig identities and solving trig equations are, in my opinion, some of the most difficult material that we will cover in trigonometry. Now you guys can do this, you're smart enough, but you must take great notes and you must work hard on your homework, making sure that you understand every problem that's given during the homework. The name of the teaching video is Solving Trig Equations. It's about 56 minutes long. Now there's no way you're going to finish this in class. You do not have to finish it tonight. It's a Wednesday night. So tomorrow, Mrs. Stewart, please make note of where you guys stop the video today. Tomorrow, just start the video there and continue on. Then you'll also work on homework tomorrow. But again, whatever homework you don't get done Thursday, do not work on it Thursday night. I want all of your attention and all of your focus being on studying for your test for Friday. Now let's talk about the emails I received the other night. I got emails from 3 students who were a little concerned about some stuff. I need to hear back from you if there are any more problems. First of all, I took off that whole section that might have been causing some extreme anxiety for you students that emailed me on the review sheet, okay, that material that we hadn't gone over yet. Number 2, I'm hoping that going over the quiz yesterday, some more of those arc-seek and arc type of problems and the word problems might have helped you a little bit. So I need to know if some of you are still needing some extra help with this, okay? It's very important I hear from you as soon as possible if there are problems. Also, I had a student email me about the quiz corrections. So let me comment on those questions. I hope everyone will listen because I think they are very good questions. One student, actually like that I messed up on, please email me so I can change your grade. Okay? Okay, the next question this student had was this. Look at this video. Okay, here's the video. Now let's make it a little bigger. Let me back it up a little bit. It's question number 4. Just hold on 1 second here. As you can tell, we have an amazingly fast computer. I'm being sarcastic, of course. Alright, now, here's the question the student asked. They said, Mr. Earhart, how did you know to put secant right here? Arcsecant in quadrant 2. Because secant is also negative in quadrant 3 right here. I don't think I can write on this. No, I can't. Okay. Secant is also negative in quadrant 3. Please listen carefully to that student who emailed me and to all you students. Arc, cosine, or arcsecants are limited to quadrants 1 and 2. Whenever you see the word arcsecant or arc cosine, because they're reciprocals, they go together, those two are always limited to quadrants 1 and 2. Now, arc sine and arc tangent plus their reciprocals are limited to quadrants 1 and 4. Let me say that again. I can't write here. Let me put it back over here and say this. When you have arc, sine, or arc tangent, or their reciprocals, so arc, cosecant, and arc cotangent, these right here are restricted to quadrants 1 and 4. Got it? So arc cosine is quadrants 1 and 2. So that means the domain runs from here to here. So the domain is from 0 to 180. We talked about this when I did the video, okay? The domain would be between 0 and 180. Now this domain here, think about it. From here to here is 90. And from here to here would be negative 90. So the domain for arc sine, arc cosecant, arc tangent, arc cotangent would be from 90 right here, or from negative 90 all the way to positive 90. That would be the domain for these arc functions here. Okay? So they're limited to quadrants 1 and 4. I hope that makes sense. Okay, that answers that question. Now the student had another question. It was a really good question. They said, Mr. Earhart, why did you drop your square root? And they were exactly right. It's so funny how I did that. Actually, it's not funny. It's pretty sad. I'm getting that old, but this student was right. Look, when I let me see if I can find it here. When I solved this right here, and I put okay, students, I'm back. I found it right here. Look what I did here, guys. I'm gonna mute this. Okay, I solved for L, and then a lot of you probably noticed this. When I brought it up here, in place of the L right here, up here. Hold on a second. Well, guys, I'm sorry I'm taking too long. I don't want to. I just want to. Okay, right here it is. Look what I did. I didn't put the square root. Right here I said the leg equals this with the square root over it. When I brought it up here, I forgot to put the square root. So the student that emailed me is correct. I made a mistake on this quiz correction, okay? And so just understand the real answer would be, of course, opposite over hypotenuse, but there has to be a square root around this. So it'll be the square root of x squared plus 2x over x plus 1. That would be the answer, okay? So really good questions there from that student. Moving on, that's all for today. Please get started on your teaching video. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Today's material is very, very challenging. Please take really good notes.